And this is really one of the primary problems which we have in thinking about things objectively. Because every one of us comes with a preconceived way, a preconceived perspective. Now, Rav Shlomo Volbe takes this idea and he puts it in a little bit of a Jewish way, and he says that the word hashkafa, which we use very often in Hebrew for Jewish thought, is a very, very bad word. He says the word hashkafa actually has a very negative connotation. And he says whenever we use the word hashkafa in our discussion of Judaism, we're using a word which is very negative. Why is that? Because he says there's a difference between hashkafa and, let's call it machshava, for want of a better term. Hashkafa means when you take a perspective and you gaze with that perspective onto something. In other words, you take a preconceived notion, and that is your hashkafa. That is what you call your perspective. And you put that perspective onto the thing which you're looking at. That's not a good thing, because that means you're not trying to see what the thing is telling you, but how you can put your perspective on the thing. And this is really one of the primary problems which we have in thinking about things objectively. Because every one of us comes with a preconceived way, a preconceived perspective. And that perspective is the way in which we look at things and we try to assess things. And when we try to assess things based on a pre-existing perspective, we almost inevitably cannot look at things objectively. We're not looking to see what the thing says to us, but rather how we can impose our worldview on the thing.